Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to stop Cortana running in background on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To stop Cortana running in background, click on Start menu, click on Settings, now click on Apps. In left pane, click on Apps and Features. Now scroll down. Here you will find Cortana. Now click on Advanced Options. Here you will find App Permission. Background app, and by default it's turned on. Just click here to turn it off. Now go back in settings. Again go back. Now click on Privacy. In left pane scroll down. You will find here background apps. Click on it and choose which app can run in background. And Cortana is turned on right now. Click here to turn it off. Now Cortana is stopped to run in background in Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.